Nairobi men can heartbreak you. Hey! Ushaijaribu kudate Nairobi? Hey, Jesus Christ. Hey! Guys, there is no amazing feeling like living alone.
The number of times that I do walk in this house naked. Hallelujah, Jesus Christ. I'm telling you, there's no amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What's up, beautiful people of the internet? So it's your girl Nasamasi, but if you like it, you can call me Crazy Baby. Okay, guys. So today we are talking about, living alone and finally getting that, that motivation ya to move out of your parents' house, or even if you're living with a friend, or maybe you're living in a campus hostel or anything like that. First and foremost, if you want to move out, just move. Stop saying oh, I'm saving money to buy this, oh, I'm saving money to buy that. You will never move. Yani hiyo ndo kitu unafaa kuambiwa. First and foremost, just move out. As long as you have the rent money, the deposit, na maybe do ya mattress. Story na kupika, story na magas, story na TV, story na ufa. Those are things that zitakuja baadaye. But if you want to move out of your parents' house, now is the time. So guys, there is no amazing feeling like living alone, getting to pay your own bills, and growing without anyone telling you, oh, Masi, you need to do this. Masi, you need to do that. No, like there is no amazing feeling like that. You get to grow on your own pace, just the way you want it and just the way you like it. So I want to motivate you guys, because me, when I left home, I didn't leave like unajua kuna wale wenye wanatokaga home and then wanapoa blessings nini. Me blessings zangu zilikuja baadaye, because I literally ran away from home. I literally ran away from home. I had nothing on me. I just packed my laptop bag, manguo mbili tatu, and then I fled. And at that time I used to live in Nakuru, and then I came to Nairobi to live with a friend, which became bombastic. You know how Chiles are. I with drama. And that's why I'm advocating for always living alone. And I started living alone with Kenyan shillings, 17,000 Kenyan shillings, because nilikuwa nimepata bedsitter ya 5k. Ukilipa 5k plus deposit, that's 10k, and then 7,000 nikatumia 4k kubuy mattress ya 4x6, 3,000 nikabuy beddings and Gekomba. And that's how Gekomba comes through for you. With 3,000 Kenyan shillings, you have bed sheets, you have pillowcases, you have an actual pillow, you have what do you call it? You have a duvet, and you are sorted. So me, if I get that picture, I will show you somewhere here of the house that I used to live in. Hata haikukuwa na tiles or anything, but it was the best thing that had ever happened to me. So advantages of living alone is that you get to walk in the house naked. I had to say that. The number of times that I do walk in this house naked. Hallelujah, Jesus Christ. I'm telling you, there's no amazing feeling like walking in your house, kwa sababu no one will tell you anything. Juu nimetoka kwa bafu nimesahau towel, sitabidi nikimbia di bedroom ndo nichukue. Not actually running, I'm just walking. And nikijikuta kwa mirror, I admire this goddess. I'm telling you. Hey! Totorito, unatingiza zo manini. No one is telling you anything. So that is one advantage of living alone. The second advantage is that you get room to be responsible and to grow. What do I mean by growing is the fact that kuna vile ukikuwa home, kuna vile unaweza behave. Because unajukiwa home, unaambiwa everything. or fanya hii, fanya hii, fanya hii, fanya hii. But sasa now that you are on your own, you know, you budget for yourself, you plan for yourself, so that if at end month you don't go broke or anything. So point number 3, you get to date. For date might be advantage, and also at the same time it might be a disadvantage, because Nairobi men can heartbreak you. Hey, ushaijaribu kudate Nairobi? Jesus Christ. Hey. Dating is actually an amazing feeling. You get to know which type of men you can tolerate, which type of men you can't, you can't handle, which type of men you can, you can, yani character yako inaendana na mse aina gani. So dating is quite a very nice thing. You will know unaweza taka habi wako akayaje and all that. But at the same time, sema kuna ugonjwa, sema kuko na STIs, unataka bado niendelee HIV. Hey, Jesus. Alafu mimba, utaambia nini watu? Nimesema madizata. Utaambia nini watu? We? Anywho, sini life. As long as you are a very matured person and you know what type of a person you want, and you are very stable, and you know, like a man can't come in your life na akwambia A, B, C, D, and you just go along, and then you need to trust the right people when it comes to dating. Me, I am not an expert. Hey, I'm not an expert, lakini kuheartbreakiwa nimeheartbreakiwa hii Nairobi. Hey, nasikia ka story ya bestie. Hey, Jesus. Ati hapana, huyo ni kama tu sisangu, ni kama tu cousin yangu, yeye ni a distant relative, hatuwezi fanya anything. How? Chunga sana, sijakuja hapa dating advice. Anyway, so let's go to the disadvantages of living alone. But it's not like it's not disadvantage. You hata says it kama disadvantage or anything. Paying bills makes you more responsible, and at the end of the day, you need to learn on how to save. You're not saving for your retirement or anything. For now, you're saving to be stable, to furnish your house, to make your house look just the way you like it, just the way you want it. You mold you mold your house the way you want it to be like. So jikamana makes sense. Like say I wanted before I bought this bed, I had another bed. Kalikuwa kawait, kalikuwa na ka frame kawait. If you are my royal fan, you know where we came from. Na kama you don't know where we came from, go watch my first bed sitter tour in Nairobi. You will see where we came from. Hey, imagine coming from a bed sitter to a 1 bedroom. Isn't Sini God? Anyway, Sini me akini God. Ni God. Hadi nashindwa kuji-express. And note, when you are dating, especially kama uko kwenyu ama you're living with a friend, the advantage of like staying on your own and then you're dating is the fact that you get to have that privacy. Alafu unajua ukiwa na mokoro vile mokoro wako anakuaga mko wapi, unakuja saa ngapi, sijui nini, you won't get that, kila time wanashinda tu akikuuliza sijui nini. You get to explore together and grow together. Anyway, jokes aside, if you want to move out of where you are and you want to go and stay on your own, first of all, just move. How much money do you have? Do you have more than 20,000 Kenyan shillings? on your pockets right now, just move. Do you imagine utaenda uishi kwa ka nyumba kenye kako na mattress na beddings peke yake? By the time 1 week imeisha umebuy, you know, mabesheni, another week imeisha umebuy kitchen stuff. Trying to say, so if you want to move out of the house, it's because you want privacy, it's because you want to grow emotionally, psychologically, and even financially, and it's because you want the freedom. And by the way, when it comes to his freedom, it will either make you or break you, as long as, especially when you're living alone, because you might find what, when you know, they like getting intoxicated 24 hours and all that. Is either they are drinking, either they are using weed, either they are, you know, using all those to stuff. Not that they are bad. So now there are these people when you are never to me 24/7 and all that. So you get to choose what you want with your life. That's all I'm saying. So kama hii video imekubamba, please like, comment and share. And if you want more of these videos, then why not? And I'm also planning to do a house tour, not right now, but there's some things I need to fix, and then I'll do it, because some of you guys have been requesting. Anyway, today I want to shout out some people. Wait a minute, let me write their names down. And this shout out goes to those people who take time and actually comment. I'll be mentioning 5 people as we go. So kama sija mention kwa hii video, comment on the comment section below and I will mention your name definitely on my next video. So this shout out goes to Akol Noon, James Mwangi, that guy always comments, Judix, Cynthia, my all-time fan from day one, Esther Nyaga, that was my first client on my latest business. So kama you don't know, if you don't know I've launched a new business, you can go on my previous video and just check it out, and if you want to promote it, then why not. And then there is Rose Waswa, my all-time fan. I love you, I love you. And then there is God With Us 254. She has a YouTube channel or something. So if I've mentioned your name, thank you for always being a loyal fan, and I love you guys. So if you haven't had your name and you want to be shout out, please comment on the comment section below. It won't hurt, imagine. And share, continue liking, continue loving this vibe of mine. And see, as we continue to move out of our parents' house, tukienda kuwa rainbow ama tukitengeneza mole. Anyway, bye bye, I love you. From me to you guys is good. Have a good one, okay? When you people think shooting is easy, it's not easy. It's not easy.